What up, boys, and welcome back to another gold farming video. So, a couple of days ago, I uploaded a video on some damn skilled basilisk guys, and there's a farm that is pretty much exactly the same, it has the same principle, and I was like, shit, should have mentioned them both in that first video. So here I am with a second one with the other item that you can farm. And before we dive into what that item is, I want to mention, as always, that the video is sponsored by myself because nobody wants to sponsor me. So if you want to, you can pick up my guide on how to go from 0 gold to 10 million gold, and it's 50% off down below. So this video, and if you guys didn't watch the last video, you don't have to go and watch it. It's all good. I'm not trying to get you over there unless you want to farm that item as well. But we're pretty much farming these reputation items that you need in order to actually go from exalted and then down to neutral with the faction in order to change. And the only way to do that is by turning in these items to an NPC. And you need like almost 1,400 of these items to go down to neutral. So even though there's not that many people interested in the item, when there is people interested in the item, they need a shit ton. And you're going to be making a lot of gold if you have them up on the auction house. So the last one was from Alder to Scryer, but if you're first getting exalted with Scryers, you need to farm this item or buy this item in order to get exalted or gain a reputation with the Aldor. So the item that we're talking about this time around is the Dread Fang Venom Sack. And this one can be obtained by killing these spiders, these Dread Fang Widows. You can see that on my realm, they go for 200 gold each, but the market value is 411 gold, and I've sold them for almost 500 gold each in the past. So basically, you want to go to this place, starting at Illyrian Stronghold, and then you can kill these spiders all the way down to the bottom, to the edge of the map. But if you're fast, you're going to run out of mobs just doing this route. So you also gotta like kill all of these spiders on this path right here, and then you gotta fly to above Stonebreaker Hole. Like this entire green section right here is also filled with these spiders, and you actually have to kill in both locations because they don't hyper spawn and they don't spawn fast enough for you to just sit in one location. So you want to do this entire green area right here and then fly down and do this pathway right here and then back to the green section. And gold per hour wise, once it sells, it depends. Like, don't be discouraged because I just uploaded a video and some people on your realm actually farm this, because that happens with every video that any gold maker like makes a video on. Like, it happens whenever a farm is trending. There's a lot of people who panics. They don't see any sales. They start to dump the price. But you should be able to sell them easily at like at least 150 and then all the way up to like 500 gold each. So getting like anywhere between 40 to like 60 to 100, like it's hard to say. It really depends on how much you sell them for. But getting 40 to 60k shouldn't be any problem. Once it sells, once again, disclaimer, not claiming that this is going to fly off the auction house. This is just one of those items where the gold per hour is very high, but you can't do it for like 10 hours and just expect it to sell. You do 1 hour, pump it up on the auction house, or you do enough to where you have enough to feed one guy going from exalted to neutral. So you want to farm like 1,400 of these, throw them up on the auction house, and then you just wait. Just don't expect them to sell overnight. But that was pretty much it for today's video. Glad that you guys liked the previous one, and hopefully you're going to like this one as much. And if you haven't already, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you're going to be notified whenever I upload another one of these videos. Until then,